In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing options. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Following that, tap on System and Updates. Now select Language and Input, Celia keyboard, and Input. As you can see, all typing options are available over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. If you are using SwiftKey keyboard instead, click on it over here, tap on Typing, and manage all of those options the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!